Hey, it's Tanner and Connor back again with another simple science experiment.
We're going to make cornstarch quicksand, which is called a hydrosol, which is a mixture that is both liquid and a solid at the same time. Sound impossible? Grab the supplies and try it with us. What you're going to need is 1 cup of cornstarch, half a cup of water, and something to store it in. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is measure out 1 cup of cornstarch. And half a cup of water. Now you can mix it with your hands or a spoon. If it's too dry, you can just add more water.
Now, what do you think will happen if I try to scoop it up with the spoon?
I'm going to attempt to make a ball. Doesn't work.
Yeah, I'd say it doesn't work that well either.
Nope.
Now, what do you think will happen if I run the car across the cornstarch quicksand? Let's find out. Now, it works pretty well, but if I stop, it sinks right away. Here's the fun part. When you add pressure, it traps tiny droplets of water between the starch, making a surface a solid. Let's try it out.
Be careful not to apply too much pressure and break the container or hurt your hand. Remember not to put this experiment down your drain because it can clog it. Why not try it in your compost?
Let us know what fun things you did with your cornstarch quicksand in the comments below. We'd love to know. See you next time.